welcome back to my channel. I am Lexi, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about what makes you miss someone. I'm going to give you some pointers and some tricks on how to make him miss you. So let's get to it. Make a point of being happy without him and making it memorable. I know it's really sad when you go through a breakup, right? But you don't want to show this to him. If you just show that you're happy without him, he's terribly gonna miss you. But if you're a mess, you're guaranteed that you've already been forgotten and he's already moved on. The first step is for a girl to be worth being missed. Don't be a fool and think that you really need someone in order for you to feel happy or in order to be loved. Love yourself, be happy with someone that's going to miss you when you're not around. Wear his favorite scent. I know this one's a little weird, but it drives them crazy when you wear their favorite perfume. Wear that scent every chance you get. With that, he's definitely gonna miss you. That's a given. Spend time with your friends. Don't put your life on pause for somebody else. And you can have a good time even without him. Share your adventures and your stories, and then maybe he'll tag along. Be independent. Your man is definitely not gonna miss you if you're constantly available for him. Give him space and create your own space too. There's no need to always be together. If he's really into you, you don't have to worry about him having free time. And guys definitely like when you're not so clingy. Enjoy your own things and let him miss you. Be there when he needs you. Before he can fully fall in love, he definitely needs to feel safe with you. You need to build trust for him to trust you. Listen to him if he has life problems. Give him amazing advice. You want to show him that he doesn't need to have his guard up with you. That you're stable and committed anytime that he needs you. Just be you. Don't pretend to be someone else, especially when you guys are together. Have your own personality of a kind, strong, smart, independent woman. Go crazy with him, be spontaneous, have fun. What guy in his right mind is gonna be able to resist all of these qualities? When you're apart from each other, he can't even compare you to anybody else. Then he's gonna realize how unique and how beautiful you are. And being apart is definitely gonna make him miss you because he knows that you're one of a kind. And last but not least, after intimate time, just talk about it. A lot of people feel very uncomfortable with their personal needs, but here is where you need to be different. Be open about it and talk about it. What do you like? What do you want to try? Ask him the same thing. And there, you'll have the ultimate power for him to love you more. When it comes to relationships, it takes work from both parties. Make sure that you're compatible. Is he somebody that you can confide in? Open up, get close to him, be happy. Definitely compliment him a lot. And I know, tell him the magic words, which is, go ahead, go out, have some fun. When you build that love and that trust, you're only gonna have eyes for him and he's only gonna have eyes for you. Don't blame, don't preach, don't judge, and definitely make him miss you. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.